Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you unhide archived photos on Instagram. So follow up with me till the very end. Let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Make sure the Instagram app is updated to face no issues in this process. After that, you can open your Instagram app. Tap here in the bottom right corner on your profile picture to open your profile. Here we are on the profile. Now we need to go ahead and open settings. So tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. Now you'll find archive right there. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on stories, archive, or whatever it is in the top to select post archive in the bottom right here. Now you find all the photos that you have archived. Tap on the one that you want to unarchive and then tap on the three dots in the top right here and then tap on show on profile, and that is it guys. It is very easy. Now when you go back to your profile, you might not find the post immediately. Let me do that to another photo and then show you guys how can you reveal them to your profile, of course. Now I can go back to my profile, and again, as I said, they will not be here immediately. So what you need to do is to quit from the app completely and then remove it from the background. Open Instagram again. Once you go to your profile this time, you'll find the posts or pictures unarchived successfully. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And again, as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.